Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about daily English conversation practice.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
This is a very good topic, Emma. Many people want to practice English every day.
Yes, Jack. Daily practice is the best way to learn a new language.
I agree with you. How do you feel today, Emma?
I feel great, thank you. I am excited to talk about this. What about you?
I feel amazing too. It is a beautiful day to learn English.
That is true. Simple conversations help beginners build confidence.
Yes, for beginners, small steps are very important.
Exactly. You do not need big words. You just need simple words.
Let's tell our listeners what we do every day to practice.
That sounds fun. Where should we start?
Let's start with the morning. What is the first thing you say in the morning?
Usually, I say good morning to my family.
Good morning is a perfect short sentence. It is polite and easy.
Yes, and then I ask, how did you sleep?
Oh, how did you sleep is a very good question for daily practice.
Thank you. It is a simple past tense question.
Let's look at the verb sleep. The past tense is slept.
Right, so someone can answer, I slept very well.
Or they can say, I did not sleep well.
Wow, those are great examples for beginners.
Yes, daily practice starts at home with your family or friends.
What if someone lives alone, Jack? How can they practice?
That is a good question. If you live alone, you can talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself? That sounds interesting. How do you do that?
You can look in the mirror and say, today is a good day. I am learning English.
Oh, I love that idea. It helps you practice speaking without fear.
Yes, because there is no one to judge you. You can make mistakes.
Making mistakes is totally fine. Every learner makes mistakes.
I agree completely. Mistakes help us learn better.
By the way, listeners, what do you say first thing in the morning? Please write your answer in the comments below. We love to read them.
Yes, please comment. Now, Emma, let's move to the next part of the day, breakfast time.
At breakfast, you can use English too. For example, can you pass the salt, please?
Can you pass the please is a very useful pattern.
Yes, it is. You can change the last word. Can you pass the sugar, please?
Or, can you pass the water, please?
That is so easy to learn. Anyone can use it today.
Let's explain the word pass here. It means to give something to someone with your hand.
Yes, it is a regular verb. The past tense is passed.
Great. Now, what do you say when you receive the sugar or water?
You must say, thank you very much.
And the other person says, you are welcome.
These are simple words, but they make your English sound very natural and polite.
That is true. Polite words are essential in daily conversation.
After breakfast, many people go to work or school.
Yes, when you meet your friends or colleagues, what do you say?
You can say, how is your day going?
How is your day going is a beautiful phrase. Let's look at it closely.
It means, are you having a good day or a bad day right now?
Yes, it is more natural than just saying, how are you, every time.
I agree. People love to answer this question.
How do you answer it, Emma?
I usually say, it is going well, thank you.
Or you can say, it is a bit busy, but good.
A bit busy means a little busy, right?
Exactly. A bit is very common in spoken English. It means a little.
That is a useful explanation, Jack. Let's give another example for our listeners.
Sure, I am a bit tired today.
The coffee is a bit hot.
Great examples. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Thank you, everyone. Now, Jack, let's talk about small talk at work or school.
Small talk is very important. It means talking about light topics like the weather.
Yes, for example, it is very warm today, isn't it?
Isn't it is a question tag. It invites the other person to agree with you.
Right. and the other person can say, yes, it is, or no, it is actually quite cool.
Using question tags makes you sound like a native speaker.
But beginners should not worry too much about grammar rules. Just copy the phrase.
I agree. Copying full phrases is much easier than memorizing rules.
Yes, just listen and repeat. That is how children learn languages.
That is so true. Children don't study grammar books, they just listen.
Let's talk about lunch break now. What can we say during lunch?
You can ask a friend, "What are you having for lunch?"
What are you having means what are you eating?
Yes, in English, we often use the verb have for eating and drinking.
For example, I am having an apple, or I am having some tea.
Wow, that is a great grammar tip. Have is an irregular verb. The past tense is had.
Yes, yesterday I had chicken for dinner.
Perfect sentence. Let's make another one. She had a glass of milk this morning.
This is wonderful. We are practicing vocabulary and grammar naturally.
Yes, this is how daily English conversation practice works. It is casual.
What do you say when your friend finishes their lunch?
You can ask, "Was it good?"
And they can answer, yes, it was delicious.
Delicious is a strong word for very tasty.
It sounds much better than just saying good all the time.
True. Beginners can slowly add words like delicious or wonderful to their vocabulary.
Now the afternoon comes. People often feel tired in the afternoon.
Oh yes, around 3 p.m. I always need a break. What do you say then?
You can say, let's grab a coffee.
Grab a coffee is an idiom. It means to go and buy or get a coffee quickly.
Yes, it does not mean to physically grab it with force. It is very casual.
Let's grab some lunch or let's grab a snack.
Those are excellent everyday expressions. I use them all the time.
Me too. It sounds very friendly.
What if your friend is busy and cannot go with you?
They might say, "I am sorry, I can't. I have too much work."
And you can reply, no problem, maybe next time.
Maybe next time is a polite way to accept a no.
Yes, it keeps the relationship friendly.
Let's practice the pronunciation of comfortable or other daily words. Many beginners find pronunciation difficult.
True. Let's look at the word comfortable. Many people say comfortable, but it sounds more like comfortable.
Comfortable. Let's say it again.
Comfortable. It is shorter than it looks.
That is a helpful pronunciation tip. English spelling can be tricky.
Yes, because we do not say every letter that we write.
Exactly. That is why listening to a podcast like this is so useful. You hear the real sounds.
Let's move to the evening section. People are going home now.
When you leave work or school, you say goodbye to your friends.
What are some common ways to say goodbye?
You can say, "See you tomorrow."
Or, have a good evening.
Have a nice weekend if it is Friday.
Take care is also a lovely phrase. It shows that you care about the person.
Yes, take care is very warm.
When you arrive at home, what do you say to your family or roommates?
You can say, "I am home."
Simple and classic. And then someone asks, how was your day?
How was your day is in the past tense because the day is almost finished.
Yes, the verb is was, which is the past tense of is.
How can we answer, "How was your day, Emma?"
You can say, it was good, thank you.
Or, "It was long, I am tired."
Or, it was great, I learned a lot of English today.
That is the best answer.
Then it is time for dinner. What do you ask about dinner?
You can ask, "What is for dinner tonight?"
This is a sentence every family uses every single day.
Yes, "What is for dinner" means, what food are we cooking or eating tonight?
Someone might say, we are having pasta tonight.
Oh, I love pasta.
Me too. After dinner, people like to relax. What do you do to relax, Jack?
I like to watch TV or read a book. What about you, Emma?
I like to listen to music or talk to my friends on the phone.
When you talk to friends on the phone in English, it is an amazing practice.
Yes, even for 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
I agree completely. Consistency is the key to language learning.
Consistency is a big word. Can you explain it simply?
Sure, consistency means doing something regularly, every day, without stopping.
Thank you. So practicing 10 minutes every day is consistent practice.
Exactly. It creates a habit in your brain.
Let's talk about bedtime phrases now. The day is ending.
Before you go to sleep, you say good night.
Yes, and you can also say sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams is a beautiful way to wish someone a peaceful sleep.
Yes, it is very kind.
We have covered a whole day of conversation phrases, Emma.
Wow, we really did. From morning to night.
Let's review a few key phrases for our listeners so they can remember them.
Great idea. The first phrase was, how did you sleep?
The second phrase was, can you pass the water, please?
The third phrase was, how is your day going?
The fourth one was, let's grab a coffee.
And the last one was, what is for dinner tonight?
These 5 phrases are simple, but they are used by millions of people daily.
Listeners, try to use at least one of these phrases tomorrow.
Yes, write in the comments which phrase you are going to use.
Practicing in the comments is a safe and easy step.
Absolutely. We are here to support you in your English journey.
If you like this episode, please hit the like button and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Today was a lot of fun, Emma.
I enjoyed our conversation today too, Jack.
Thank you everyone for listening to our podcast.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.